Hi guys, welcome back to my channel guys. If you are new here, kindly consider subscribing, like the video and sharing guys. So today guys, I'm running errands. I'm going to look for a school for my son guys. My son is turning 3 years next year, so he has to join school. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing today guys. Kindly like the video. Let's go and see. There's one school that is here I was referred to. Let's go and see. First school I'm going to check. Guys, I don't know if you can see me sweating. It's around 1 p.m. It is hot and I'm walking. Yeah, so go with me. Let's go and check out the school. Cousin of mine has a child in this school, so he referred me here. Let's go and see. Yeah, so guys, this is the first school. I was referred here, but I don't know. I like the environment is so quiet. Like when I was coming here, the place is so quiet. There's a church inside. This is like a IC church. So there's a church inside. And then they have a small playground here. Looks old. I don't know guys. As I said, I'm looking for a school for my son for next year. He's turning 3 years. So he's supposed to join play group. That is how the system here in Kenya is. And they have already closed, but I was given access to just see there. They've already closed for December holidays. So now this is the school. I don't know. It doesn't look so bad, but AIC, it's called AIC. I was not sure the names, but anyways, you won't know which school he will join. So this is called AIC, and they have a church here inside there. I'm not sure. Doesn't look bad, considering it's not so far from where I stay, and they have a very big playground. That's what I was also looking. What was the place there? I don't know. It looks like it's now they're building, but sometimes I like it because there are not so many children, so it'll be good for play group. So I think these are I don't know. Yeah, so this is how the school looks. I don't know if I can get in. Guys, kindly consider subscribing. As I said, schools have been closed here in Kenya, so it's empty. That's how it looks inside. I think this is where they graduate from. And then these are the classes. I like that it's not, the place is so quiet. I like that about it. And the environment, even the classes look really big and clean. I think this is not a bad option. This is definitely a nice place for someone. Maybe he's turning 3 years, so he'll be joining play group. I think this is where they eat from. Yeah, have shapes there. I like it. Actually, it's not bad. You can see outside. So he'll be joining playgroup here. He will be here, or they have labeled here playgroup. Actually, it's not bad. It's so spacious. It's so well lit. It's well lit and it's spacious and it's clean. Yes, guys, so as I said, they also have like upstairs. So that is playgroup. I think they are still building. They have like grade 7 up there. Actually, it's not bad. Because you see, they have all this space. I don't know. I'll go check several other options. I like that the air. Ooh, it's so like it's amazing. You can see they have a very big compound. Actually, it's not bad, because this is what I'm looking for. Like I once where even when babies play up to there's no like maybe vehicles going or any insecurity, but here you can see they have a whole space to play. Yeah, so they have already closed schools for December holidays, but I wanted to see, but of course they've already closed. But now I have an idea, of course. Now I'll just have to inquire for the fee structure. But I wish they would have put like a lot of kids things to play, because now there are only few swings. There is only very few swings there. They also have a very nice lawn here. I heard like it's not, the lighting is too much when you're recording at this time. It's around 1 p.m. and it's too bright. They also have like a school bus. So this is a nice option. I like where it is, guys. Like it's so quiet. The environment is green. Yeah, so it's a nice place. So maybe I'll consider this one and then we'll see. Yeah, I'll check other few options and then I'll decide. Guys, look at this place. It's so beautiful. Like the trees have made a